How to join Microsoft Team using Meeting ID and Passcode. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Microsoft application. Click on the profile icon at the top right corner. You will be directed to the login page. Click on create one. Provide a new email and passcode to create a new Microsoft account. Once created, in Microsoft official website, you will see the option of download Teams. Click on it and then click on download for desktop. Make sure you have the meeting ID and passcode. Open Teams. Log in with your Microsoft account details and go to calendar. At top, click on join with ID. Now simply provide the details of meeting and click on join meeting. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.